This video is for the people who are looking for a perfect execution while finding the precious crypto gems. I will give you the secret hacks and tools that you can use in your crypto journey. Plus, I must warn you that this technique to learn, it took me 5 years to master. Thus, please promise me that you won't get awe at the end of the video. Please ensure that there is emergency service around, and please don't tell anybody, and secretly like and subscribe the channel to be ahead of others. First, we have to understand the way to process our finding technique. For this, we only target new and low market cap crypto. So we will never look at least top 500 cryptos by market cap, or I would say top 1000. If you ask me what I do now, I do not even bother. You will know why. If you are new, cryptocurrency market cap is nothing just than cryptocurrency's total value. The overall cryptocurrency market cap is the combined value of all cryptocurrencies on the market. For example, let's say that a cryptocurrency has a price of $100 and a circulating supply of 1 million coins. That would mean its market cap is 100 million. Since the market caps are based on cryptocurrency prices and they are constantly changing. Many analysts are expecting the market cap of cryptocurrency would be more than 10 trillion by 2025. We should follow the golden rule of investing, and that is following the trends, or you might have heard the term narratives. This is what we do now. We look at the recent winning crypto, and if the coin has even did well in the bear run, then it would be perfect. As the coins which do well in the bear market has already shown the strength, and it means that the crypto enthusiasts and VCs are interested in the project also. So it has a better chance to do better in the bull run. I hope you have noted this point. Now I will save your time and give you the most recent crypto narratives, and those are AI, artificial intelligence, RWA, real world assets, DePIN, decentralized physical infrastructures, and the upcoming promising one is DeSci, that is decentralized science. Some of the artificial intelligence projects are Fetch AI, Agix, Near, and the RWA is Ondo, DePINs are Render and Helium. But they have already high market valuation. They might do well, but the purpose of this video is to find the gem, that precious one, which will give us the life-changing gains. Thus we go lower, very lower, in fact, deep. Like a dog digging the hole, we will also follow the smell that is coming from far and deep down from the gem. So, as long as the video goes, the hacks and technique goes deeper. Now, after selecting the criteria of narratives, we have to use some tools. Now, we need a shovel to dig. If you see a new coin headlines popping in the crypto news, or an exchange or any crypto influencer might be shouting around, you might think it's new, but the reality is you are already late. So, the theme of our hacks is to be early as soon as possible, because you know that early birds eat the worms. So, we have to find the newest coins that has not been in the social media. Some of the handy tools are coinmarketcap.com and coingecko.com. If you go to their recently added category, you can see the newest coin over there. But the crypto project has already connection to the CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. If they are popping in CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, it means they are at least 3 to 6 months old. And if you are at bull run, 3 to 6 months old project makes a huge difference. In fact, a lot. So we go to the next drill, that is airdrop. Airdrop is the way to find the new, but they are not in the market yet. The drawback of these projects are they are still in the testing phase. Some of the tools that you can use for the airdrops are Chili, Gulsi, or I will mention in the screen also. But you have to do tasks and camping for this project to get the airdrop. You can do that if you are the airdrop hunter. Many projects has given unbelievable airdrop. You have to do a lot of tasks. It might be a time consuming for the airdrop because those projects are only in the beta phase, and it might take, like some of them will take many years also. Anyways, as earlier I have told you that I do not bother because this is what I do. First, finding the most promising layer 1, because all the crypto projects are built on the layer 1, so we should find the layer 1s. For example, some of them are Solana, Ethereum, Cardano. There are a lot of layer 1s. So I will go to their official websites and find their ecosystem. For example, in the Solana page, you will find the new upcoming projects and the upvotes given by the Solana community. So you can check the crypto projects and do your research. So this is one of the hack. Just go directly to the official page of the layer 1s. This is a cool hack. Or you can find more on the Twitter and Discord, and Twitter and Discord is the real place where the real information flows. For example, go to the developer community, follow them, find out what are the crypto projects are upcoming. Another thing I do is the private sales and ICO. ICO is the initial coin offering. There are a lot of rounds in the ICOs, like private round, public rounds. This is one of the best hacks to find the crypto gem. Go to ICO drop and some of the cool tools that I will mention in the screen and find the ICO. Follow their announcements and criteria. It is the most cheapest way to find the crypto projects. Now, before going to the last part, please smash that like button and subscribe the channel. It really means a lot to me and motivate me to create more alpha crypto videos in Forever Crypto channel. Now, the last one and the most secretive way is to use the terminals and screeners. There are a lot of terminals and screeners. For example, Dex screener, CoinGecko terminal, Bodai.so. What I dot show is for the Solana one. Some of them are released just an hour ago, so this is the best place to find the early gem. Just make a list of the coin and match to the narrative. It might take a day, 2 or week to select the perfect crypto. If you are creating a portfolio, select as minimal crypto as possible. Do less diversification as possible. Feel free to check out my video on killer portfolio. So ladies and gentlemen, these are the hacks to find the crypto gems, and I hope you will find the crypto that will turn your life. Good luck to you, and I hope you find the gem by using science of a technique. Please do your own due diligence and research a lot more before investing into crypto. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and always take profit. Thanks for watching the video. As always, forever crypto, big fan of crypto.